Good morning to all the students. Today we will here to discuss about that question answers which you have already written related to conservation of momentum. Conservation of momentum, we read about conservation of momentum in my last lecture, and today we are going to solve some numericals which is based on the conservation of momentum. But before solving them, we will discuss here some formulas related to our this chapter, force and laws of motion, and by using these formulas we can solve the numericals. Now let's see the formulas related to this chapter and understand them. So first is force. F equals to ma. Force equals to mass multiplied by acceleration. F stand for force, m stand for mass, a stand for acceleration, and the SI unit of force is Newton. SI unit of force is Newton, which is on the name of behalf of their name Isaac Newton, जो कि किसके नेम के बिहाफ पे है? Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton, the scientist who gave the laws of motion. साइंटिस्ट थे जिन्होंने लॉज ऑफ मोशन दिए थे। इस चैप्टर में हमने जो 3 लॉज पढ़े थे, किसने दिए थे? वो आइजैक न्यूटन ने। एंड लॉज ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन दिया था आइजैक न्यूटन ने, जिसे हम नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में रीड करेंगे। सो आइजैक न्यूटन के नेम के बिहाफ पर फोर्स की ऐसा यूनिट न्यूटन रखी गई थी, क्योंकि आइजैक न्यूटन ने अपने सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन में फोर्स को डिस्क्राइब किया था by using F equals to ma. According to F equals to ma, सेकेंड लॉ में हमने देखा था F equals to ma को ड्राइव किया था हमने सेकेंड लॉ में, तो that is given by the Isaac Newton, and the behalf of their name the SI unit of force is Newton. Now 1 Newton is equals to F equals to ma. Mass. What is the SI unit of mass? Kilogram. What is the SI unit of acceleration? Meter per second square. So 1 Newton is equals to 1 kilogram meter per second square. That is also SI unit of force. So 1 Newton is equals to 1 kilogram multiplied by 1 meter per second square. Next is acceleration. A stand for acceleration, and what is the formula of acceleration? A equals to v minus u upon t. The rate of change of velocity with time is called acceleration. Change in velocity. What do you mean by change in velocity? V minus u, that is the change in velocity. V stand for final velocity, u stand for initial velocity, and v minus u is equals to change in velocity. What is the change in velocity? V minus u, and v minus u upon t is equals to a. That is the formula of acceleration, and the SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square, and we can write them as meter second inverse 2. मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर को हम मीटर सेकेंड इनवर्स 2 इस तरह से भी राइट कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज मोमेंटम. व्हाट इज मोमेंटम? मोमेंटम, द सिंबल ऑफ मोमेंटम इज P. P stand for momentum, and the definition of momentum is the product of mass and velocity is called momentum. The product of mass and velocity is called momentum. M stand for mass, V stand for velocity, P stand for momentum, and the definition of momentum according to this formula is the product of mass and velocity is called momentum, and the SI unit of momentum is, what is the SI unit of mass? Kilogram. What is the SI unit of velocity? Is meter per second, So the SI unit of momentum is kilogram meter per second, and we can write them as kilogram meter second inverse 1. So that is the SI unit of momentum. Next is change in momentum. What do you mean by change in momentum? Now let's see first initial momentum. What is initial momentum? P1 stand for initial momentum. Initial momentum equals to mass multiplied by initial velocity. Initial momentum is equals to mass multiplied by velocity. Velocity कौन सी होनी चाहिए? Initial. Mass multiplied by initial velocity. Initial velocity which is denoted by u, जिसे हम u से denote करते हैं. Initial momentum P1 equals to mv. Next is final momentum. Final momentum P2 equals to mv. That is mv. Initial momentum का फॉर्मूला है mass multiplied by initial velocity. Initial velocity which is denoted by u. फाइनल मोमेंटम में हम जो वेलोसिटी लेते हैं वो है v, which is final velocity. So that is the initial momentum and final momentum. Initial momentum is equals to, momentum का फॉर्मूला है mass multiply by velocity. So initial momentum is equals to mass multiply by initial velocity, and final momentum is equals to mass multiply by final velocity. So that is the initial momentum mu and final momentum mv. Now let's see change in momentum. Change in momentum. What is the change in momentum? Change in momentum is equals to final momentum minus initial momentum. That is the change in momentum, which is P2 minus P1. P2 minus P1 is equals to final momentum. What is the final momentum? mv minus initial momentum is mu. So mv minus mu is the change in momentum. Next है conservation of momentum. Let's see the formula for conservation of momentum. m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equals to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. That is the conservation of momentum. And according to the conservation of momentum, total momentum before collision is always equals to total momentum after collision m1 u1. ये फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट का मोमेंटम है. m2 u2 ये सेकेंड ऑब्जेक्ट का मोमेंटम है. एंड दैट इज द टोटल ऑफ मोमेंटम ऑफ टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स बिफोर कॉलिजन. दोनों ऑब्जेक्ट का टोटल मोमेंटम कॉलिजन के पहले. एंड आफ्टर द कॉलिजन वेलोसिटी क्या हो गई? v1 v2. यहाँ थी u1 u2 इनिशियल. आफ्टर कॉलिजन दैट इज द फाइनल वेलोसिटी v1 v2, and their momentum will be m1 v1 plus m2 v2 for the first object m1 v1, and for the second object is m2 v2, and that is the conservation of momentum. After that, here three more formulas which are very important for solving the numericals, and these are also known as equations of motion. Three equations of motion. First is v equals to u plus at. Second is s equals to ut plus half at square. And third is v square equals to u square plus 2as. These are three very important formulas which are also known as equations of motion. V equals to u plus at is the first equation of motion. S equals to ut plus half at square, that is the second equation of motion, and v square equals to u square plus 2as is the third equation of motion. And by using of these equations we have to solve most of the numericals by using these formulas. These are very important formulas for solving the numericals related to all chapters which is in physics. So these are your formulas and you have to revise them for solving the numericals. किसी भी numerical को solve करने से पहले बेटे ये formulas आने चाहिए. And these formulas which are related to our chapter force and laws of motion, revise these formulas. Now we are solving some numericals which is based on the conservation of momentum. Now let's see some questions related to conservation of momentum. Now question is our from a rifle of mass 4 kg. एक राइफल है जिसका मास है 4 kg. A bullet of mass 50 gram. बुलेट जिसका मास है 50 ग्राम is fired with an initial velocity, जिसे initial velocity से फायर किया गया है of 35 मीटर पर सेकेंड. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी क्या है? 35 मीटर पर सेकेंड. कैलकुलेट द इनिशियल रिकॉइल वेलोसिटी ऑफ द राइफल. हमें राइफल की इनिशियल रिकॉइल वेलोसिटी फाइंड करनी है. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रिकॉइल? रिकॉइल मीन्स बैकवर्ड मूवमेंट. बैकवर्ड मूवमेंट. व्हाट इज द वर्ड ऑफ बैकवर्ड मूवमेंट इन दिस क्वेश्चन? इस क्वेश्चन में न्यूटन्स का थर्ड लॉ अप्लाई हो रहा है एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यूटन्स थर्ड लॉ एवरी एक्शन देयर इज एन इक्वल रिएक्शन बट अपोजिट इन डायरेक्शन. एक्शन रिएक्शन दोनों हो रहे हैं बट अपोजिट इन डायरेक्शन. देखो कैसे. राइफल ऑफ मास 4 kg. राइफल से बुलेट को जब फायर किया गया, जिस फोर्स से बुलेट राइफल से फायर हुई है दैट इज एक्शन. क्या है वो? एक्शन. जिस फोर्स से बुलेट राइफल से फायर हुई है उसी फोर्स से राइफल बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मूव करेगी, दैट इज रिएक्शन. राइफल से बुलेट का फायर होना एक्शन है. उसके फायर होते ही राइफल का बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मूव होना रिएक्शन है. Every action is always equals to reaction but opposite in direction. Action और reaction दोनों इक्वल होते हैं बट उनकी डायरेक्शन कैसी होती है? अपोजिट होती है. सो यहाँ राइफल और बुलेट के ऊपर जो लॉ अप्लाई हुआ है वो है थर्ड लॉ ऑफ मोशन. एंड इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू फर्स्टली कैलकुलेट द मोमेंटम ऑफ राइफल एंड द मोमेंटम ऑफ बुलेट. हम मोमेंटम ऑफ राइफल को कैलकुलेट करेंगे, मोमेंटम ऑफ बुलेट को कैलकुलेट करेंगे एंड आफ्टर कैलकुलेटिंग देम वी आर यूजिंग हियर अकॉर्डिंग टू कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम. कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम यूज करके हम इनिशियल रिकॉइल वेलोसिटी ऑफ राइफल फाइंड करेंगे. नाउ लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट, मोमेंटम ऑफ बुलेट. Momentum of bullet is equals to m1 u. Initial velocity u. What is the mass of bullet? Mass of bullet is 50 gram. And we have to convert them into kilogram. Why? Because kilogram is the SI unit of mass. How can we convert them into kilogram? Divided by 1000. What is the initial velocity of bullet? 35 meter per second. And after calculating them, that will be 1.75 kilogram meter per second. That is the momentum of bullet. Next is momentum of rifle. But in this question, we haven't the initial velocity of rifle. So let the recoil velocity of rifle is v. Suppose that the recoil velocity of rifle is v. Now momentum of rifle. Momentum of rifle is m2 multiply by m2 means यहाँ पे मास किसका है, राइफल का है. m1 मास किसका था, बुलेट का था. m2 multiply by v. v, what is the v? Velocity of rifle. So what is the mass of rifle? Mass of rifle is 4 kg and velocity is v. So it is 4. v is the momentum of rifle, kilogram meter per second, and according to conservation of momentum, according to conservation of momentum, mass of rifle is equals to momentum of rifle is equals to momentum of bullet. Is equals to momentum of bullet. What is the momentum of rifle? Momentum of rifle is 4v, and momentum of bullet is 1.75. Now what is v? v is the recoil velocity of rifle. How can we calculate them? recoil velocity को हम कैसे calculate करेंगे? By using conservation of momentum. By using the conservation of momentum, so v equals to 1.75 upon 4. Momentum of rifle is equals to momentum of bullet. किसके according आया है ये? This is according to conservation of momentum, and the value that will become 0.43 meter per second.